You can expect a lot from the 2011 Kia Sportage. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Kia prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.